Hi there, my name's Chris Can with MiningNews.net and Aspermont, and I'm with Brett Beatty, who is the Managing Director of RCF in Australia. Brett, I wanted to start by asking about your experience in North America versus Australia. You spent a lot of time in North America. Where are you seeing the difference in investment trends across the two spaces?
Yeah, look, I found North America very gold focused. They have a very deep market over there, but it's diversified as well. So investors will come in and out of mining. Whereas I've seen here, at least in the last couple of years in Australia, the investors are coming in and out of different commodities, but tend to stick with mining. So the trick is keeping their attention. I said earlier in the conference, we're seeing them move as a pack from one commodity to the next. I think it's quite a challenge in our industry at the moment.
Okay, and RCF, obviously a private equity group holding long. With different changes in government policy, I'm thinking specifically the IRA, the Critical Materials Act across in Europe, these things, has that changed the way that you guys invest and where you see the opportunities for that long-term return?
Yeah, we're always looking at the supply-demand imbalances. So I wouldn't say the government intervention is really what's driving our behaviour. It's really the demand dynamics that sit behind it. And obviously the government's seeing similar opportunities to drive behaviours. But ultimately we're looking for successful businesses that feed into growing industries. So I'd say sustainability is a bit of a challenge for the industry, but it's something we've been doing for a long time. So not necessarily a change in behaviour, but obviously it's important for us to articulate to our investors where we see opportunity and how we're managing risk.
Okay, and you mentioned before investors moving in packs. More generally speaking, how do you see 2024 panning out in terms of investment drivers and where people are looking to place money?
I think lithium is seeing a little bit of a resurgence. I think it's going to be hard to ignore the prices of gold equities relative to the earnings that they're putting out. So I think we're quite positive around gold. But there's always going to be something that surprises us. So let's wait and see. But yeah, between us, I think it's gold and lithium will be the two exciting ones this year.
Okay, and finally, the conference itself, it's the first time we've had Mining News Select in Sydney. What have been your thoughts? What have you looked for from the conference and what have you liked?
Yeah, look, a great lineup, some great insights from different people. So I think it's a credit to the conference that the people they've attracted. It's a real mix. You've got a bit of uranium bulls in the room. You've got some gold bulls in the room. So let's see who wins out at the end of the day.
Brett, thanks very much for your time.
No problem. Thanks, Chris.